many things are there. The signal processing means whatever be the inputs are there through which output can come. Example, headphone. So whatever headphone we are using while connecting with the circuit or with the mobile phones, so in that case, the connector transmit that voice through that processor, and through the headphone we can get the idea. Correct? We can listen the things very clearly. In case of the traffic signal also, that signal process work as per the sensor base. If the no traffic is there, then there will be the green signal. If more traffic is there, there will be the red signal. Correct? So likewise the signal processes depends on the basis of the temperature, heat, and situation. On the basis of that, various sensors are available uh, through which it will work. So you can see the open and closed door sensor also there. Generally it can be in mall. So that kind of the sensor also work on the basis of the thing. And that needed is a digital signal processing. All the kind of robotics or automation can be done with this DSP. And this is the very important parameter through which we'll get the various outcomes. So lot many examples are there. Lot many examples are there, as like I can quote here. You can see in case of radar system, in case of the sonar means measuring the height of the sea. So that will be the consideration. In case of the telecommunication, audio signal processing, so generally customer cares and all that, that can be used in mobile phones, disk drive. Correct? HDTV. So everywhere it can be used to transfer the digital signal process, and through which we'll get the idea. Correct. Lot many examples are there. I have quoted over here. You can see this kind of the example uh, as like, see here, for filtering signal, eliminating noise from the signal. So see, in olden days, radio was there, 91.2 radio FM. Suppose I want to switch that. So if I came 91.0, so there will be the blur, noise will create it. And if I went for that 91.2 or 91.3, so proper frequency can be catch because of this DSP, and then signal is properly received. Correct? So that is the role of DSP. You can see here again, synthesis and manipulation also used. Example, the speech synthesis, music synthesis, and graphic. While music director preparing the theme, for that case also he has used this DSPs. Correct? So for that you can see for guitar, for music instrument, there will be the direct connection with the respect to this DSP. Or else you can see the softwares are also there. They can change your voice. So from normal voice to high pitch voice also can be changed. Or we can fasten the voice, double X, 3X, 5X. So we can speed up that also. In our YouTube video, while watching a YouTube video, there is a provision in setting that we'll have to maintain the speed normal, or very normal, slow speed or high speed, through which will reduce the time of that watching. So this kind of the scenario is there, and this all will work on DSP. In case of analysis, seismic data, generally this for the civil structure point of view. Atmospheric data also we can capture. So stock market also the analytical inputs are given, and through which it can be run. Then voice communication, processing, encoding and decoding. As I told you, so blurring or preparation of the noise will not be situated in the system, and to avoid that noise we'll have to use DSPs. Correct? बऱ्याच वेळा आपण कॉलिंग करतो आणि इन दॅट कॉलिंग ब्लर किंवा साऊंड नॉईज क्रिएट होतो. तर त्या केसमध्ये हे का होतं? बिकॉज ऑफ द DSP इज नॉट प्रॉपरली वर्किंग. सो सेन्सर्स आर नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट आपण तो कट करतो किंवा परत लावतो, किंवा कधी कधी क्रॉस कनेक्शन होतात. तर या कंडिशन्स पण होतात. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज द बेसिक रूल इज अ डिजिटल सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग. इन केस ऑफ ऍक्टिव्ह नॉईज कॅन्सलेशन, ऍक्टिव्ह नॉईज म्हणजे काय? अननेसेसरी बरं का. म्हणजे हेडफोन्स असतील, जसं मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं, मफलर्स इन कार, इमेज प्रोसेसिंग मध्ये पण वापरतात, कम्प्युटर व्हर्जन मध्ये लिस्निंग सॉंग्स अँड ऑल दॅट. कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्स मध्ये पण यूज आहे. देन इंडस्ट्रियल ऍप्लिकेशन बेस्ड. In case of vibration analysis, very important, because vibration analysis is depends on noise. So that noise also calculate in case of the vibration analysis. through this DSP, the instrument is available. Chemical analysis also there. In case of MRI, so this is about the brain. So that can be also capture CT scan, in that case ECG. So that all you can see the digital signal procedure. ECG काढताना किंवा तुमचा एक्सरे काढताना काय करतात ते तुम्हाला स्टिक केलं जातं त्या गोष्टी सेन्सिंगच्या आणि त्याच्यातून डायरेक्ट आपल्याला एक विंडो असते आणि त्यात विंडो वी कॅन सी दॅट डिजिटल सिग्नल and through which we'll get the graph, digits, values, and all that. So this is related to DSP. Of course, radar and sonar I told you. So that is the basic role of DSP. हे समजलं का?
हाँ sir. Yes.
Okay. So just write down digital signal processor, DSP. In that, signal is a physical quantity. Write down that signal is physical quantity that changes with respect to time, comma, frequency, comma, temperature, etc. Temperature, etc. So example, you can quote any example. So I have written over here a traffic signal: green, red, blue, sorry, yellow. That lights are there. So traffic signal, it can be work as per the sensing base, and that is the physical quantity, and we'll have to follow the thing. Okay, it is also function of one or more independent variable, which carries same information, correct, of course, to represent phenomena. Now it is also classified. You can write DSP is used असं म्हणा in microprocessor comma MOS integrated circuit, MOS integrated circuit, comma audio signal processing, comma telecommunication, comma digital image processing, comma radar, comma solar, comma speech recognition system. जनरली बॉर्डरवर जे काही डिव्हाइस वापरलं जातं फॉर स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन सिस्टीम, दॅट कॅन बी यूज स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन सिस्टीम, कॉमा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिव्हाइसेस, ऑफकोर्स सगळे सर्किट याच्या थ्रू रीड होतात. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिव्हाइसेस, कॉमा किंवा सच एज मोबाईल फोन्स, disk, high definition television, correct, etc. So you can see generally signal can transmit like this through DSP. It can be changed or it can be read the thing, and through that circuit it can be publish the thing in digital format or graphical format, whichever be the required on the basis of that. Correct. Now many times see सिग्नलला बऱ्याच वेळा ऍड्स लावलेले असतात बघा, की अल्का टॉकीच्या कोपऱ्यावर असतात ऍड्स लावलेले असतात. सो दॅट कॅन बी ऑल्सो वर्क on the basis of this DSP. Correct. Now I have mentioned here what is DSP and all that. I just read. So I'll send you the